I'm Matt and I'm here today to explain how water from our storage facilities makes its way down through our channel system in Newry. Newry is one of the last sections in the district that has not been automated to this point. Here we still rely on old school methods to get the water to our customers, but that's going to change because we're about to modernise it. Right now, delivering water in the Newry area is a manual process. We calculate the demand for all customer orders and then put the required water flow into the top of the channel. We then chase the water down the channel, subtracting flows for orders as we go along. To measure the volume of water passing at any one point, we use a wooden measuring stick and a chart to calculate the flows. We can adjust the flows of water by removing or adding wooden bars at several regulator points down the channel system. The Newry pipeline system will replace 100-year-old open channel systems throughout the area. Automation will improve delivery to our customers to ensure that they get the right amount of water at the right time.